In this video I will show you how to delete invite message on Instagram. But before starting with this video, remember that if it works for you, you can leave me a like and above all subscribe. Now yes, let's start with the video. As we can see, there is no way to delete the message once we press it. What we will do is get into the Instagram profile to which we send our message invitation. Now we select the 3 points and we give it in block. In this way we would be blocking this Instagram profile so that it cannot access our profile information. Then we will get into our chats and we will proceed to delete this chat. In case we don't want to block the account, we can get in from our browser or laptop, and there if it will allow us to delete the message as usual. Remember that if this tutorial works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. My name is Anxiety7, use 7x tutorials, and see you until the next video.
We'll be right back.